Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're just doing another quick review of a cheap car that we bought in Poland. This is a 1999 or a 2000 Honda Civic hatchback EK9. This is the Euro spec model, which is actually really nice because the Euro spec models tend to have a lot of the JDM parts, so that's really nice. As you can see, this is the after facelift edition. It's not in great condition, but it was only how much would that be in US dollars? It was about 420 US dollars, which I think is not bad. I mean, it is a running car. It does have a little bit of a rust issues there, but my plan is just to part it out and sell the parts individually. Surprisingly, the sunroof is working. I think it's leaking a little bit, but it's a working sunroof nevertheless. This is the back of it. I've already started to debadge it a little bit, started taking the parts off. As you can see, it's not a bad looking car for about $400. As you can see, the inside, it does come with the JDM rear seats. And if you take a look at inside, at the interior, it's not bad. It's been parted out a little bit. These are actually, like, I think the same seats that were on the Integra, so that's really nice. The sunroof is really nice. I mean, it's not like clean, but it's working. That's really rare for a car this old. I mean, it's about what, 26 years old. This is the interior. As you can see, I've already started taking the parts out. Those are what I'm talking about, those rear headrests, rear seats headrests. So those do not, they definitely do not come on the US cars, the US spec cars. They only came on GDM cars. I mean, that's what I knew back in the day when I was following GDM cars, that like you had to have a GDM car to get those. But apparently they also come on the Euro spec ones, because all of the EK Civics that I've seen in Europe, they all have that. So I was like, oh, okay, that's really nice. I'm not sure if these were actually on the US spec ones, but this is actually kind of rare because I couldn't find it anywhere listed online for sale. So I think this is a GDM dome light as well. As you can see, there is the center console. It does have a little bit of an ashtray there, which is really nice. Amber clock. Yeah, the center consoles, someone probably put a headphone jack right there or something. And then this is the gauge, and this is the steering wheel. So I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Do you think we did well with this car for only $400? I think we did, so pretty happy with it. Gonna try to make as much money as possible from the parts. The bumper's not really in good shape, but there was the check engine light that was on when I was driving it, and it was really like wishy-washy when you're driving the car with the steering wheel. So it definitely needs, like, at this point I just don't have enough time or the energy to really fix it. It's a shame because it is a really beautiful car. I would love to fix it, but I think I need to sell the parts more than I need to fix it. And I'm sure there's a lot of cars that a lot of these cars are for sale. Oh, that's another thing. These tail lights seem to be the same ones that came on the Type R. So I think I got really lucky with those, because the non-Type R tail lights, they had an orange part right here, and this is only for the reverse. So I think we got lucky with that. I saw online they're going for like $400 or $500. I mean, literally just the tail lights on this car, if I can just sell them, I get my money back for the entire price of this car. So that's really nice. And yeah, okay, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, take care. This is us taking it for a drive. By the way, I think it was really cheap because I had a broken windshield, and in Poland you cannot pass inspection with a broken windshield. But this is the drive. If you hear the exhaust, yeah, it's got a hole somewhere in the exhaust system, so that's not great. Actually, there's some police there, so we should probably put this away. But yeah, just wanted to show you how it drives. It's not the best condition car. You can see all the check engine lights are on, ABS light is on. That, I think that red light is to let you know that the e-brake is still up, which is definitely not. Okay, that's all.